Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account is restricted right now on WhatsApp. So guys, if your WhatsApp account is restricted and you are unable to use your account or you are unable to use some features on WhatsApp, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open your Play Store or App Store and search here for WhatsApp. And after this, you have to simply download and install the latest version of WhatsApp in your device. And after this, restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this, open your WhatsApp and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if your account is still restricted, then you have to simply tap on three dots button from here and then tap on settings, and now you have to scroll it below and tap on help and then tap on help center, and now you have to tap on contact us from here, and in this box you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, that you have not violated any community guidelines on WhatsApp but your account is restricted or you are unable to use your WhatsApp account. So as you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way in this box, and after this you have to simply submit this request to the WhatsApp team. So guys, they will review your account, and if you not have violated any community guidelines on WhatsApp, they will unrestrict your account instantly. So guys, after this you will be able to use your account very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.